derived the formula for area of a trapezoid in class today. The area of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 multiplied by the sum of the bases, base 1 plus base 2, multiplied by the height of the trapezoid, and the height is the perpendicular distance between the bases. So on problem number 6, we have a trapezoid where we have the two bases. Remember, the bases are the sides that are parallel to each other, so they won't always be shown as the top and bottom sides. This trapezoid could be oriented differently, and these would still be the bases, because the fact that these sides are parallel is what makes these the bases. So we could call this base 1, (125), and base 2, 275. The height is unknown in this case for this problem, but we know the area is 23,000 square meters. So you can substitute for A, you can substitute that 23,000, and you can complete this equation by substituting the two bases you know, and then you can solve for the height. Why don't you try to do that during the pause and then come back and see how you did.
Paused.
Okay, we know the area, so I don't have to write A. I can write the value of the area, which is 23,000. And that's equal to 1/2 multiplied by, I'm going to substitute 125 for base 1, plus base 2 is 275. And we're multiplying that by the height, which is unknown, so that's our unknown x. The sum of 125 and 275 is 400. Multiplied by x, that equals 23,000. Half of 400 is 200. So 200x equals 23,000. And then we would just undo this multiplying by 200 by dividing by 200. If I divide 200x by 200, I get 1x, which is just x. But I have to do it on both sides. That's property of equality. So 23,000 divided by 200. There's 1, 200, and 230. 1 times 200 is 200. When I subtract, I get a difference of 30. Bring down this 0. There's 1, 200, and 300. 1 times 200 is 200. When I subtract, I get a difference of 100. Bring down this 0, and there are exactly 5 200s and 1,000. So x equals 115. So the answer would be 115 meters. There was an opportunity here that I didn't take. I want to point it out. Since we're showing this division in fraction form, it would be very easy to factor out 100 hundredths by doing that. That's the same as factoring out 100 hundredths. And then we can just do 230 divided by 2. Which it would have been easy to do mentally. That would have been a more efficient way to solve that. But I didn't notice it at first. Okay, I hope that helped with the homework. I'll see you tomorrow.